It's the Cannes Festival this weekend.
Yes, of course. So now he's making a burrito.
I told you that the bottle is Satan's receptacle.
Yes.
And I misspoke. Yeah, I said 2-pound burrito, 5 pounds. If you can imagine a 5-pound burrito. Anthony Serrano is with us from El Palacio, and thanks for getting up early, my friend.
Oh, well, thanks for coming out.
We've gotten together many times. Now, give me the raw ingredients. So what are we looking at?
First, we have our carne asada. Then we have our grilled chicken, a chile relleno, a tamale, rice, beans, and our salsa roja.
Let's get them cooking. Now, what's the inspiration behind the 5-pound burrito?
This dish has actually been on our menu for 35 years now. My dad invented it as a fun dish for the whole family to enjoy.
And that's true. You're not about having a contest over what glutton can put down a 5-pound burrito.
One person can totally try eating this.
Yes.
But for us, it's all about the experience, about the family getting together, and everyone enjoying it together.
Now, who throws a chili relleno into a burrito? That sounds like an American twist on things.
You know, we like calling it our kitchen sink burrito because of all the different ingredients we have in here.
Oh, look at that.
A lot of our
Chop that baby up. I want to see its guts. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, so we're going to put it on here. It's going to start getting nice and cheesy and gooey.
You put a tamale in there, too.
And then we put one of our homemade tamales in here. To get everything all nice and warm, really meld all those flavors together.
Yeah, perfect. Now, you're at Germain and the 202.
Yep, we're off the Germain and the Santan 202.
And where was your dad's original restaurant?
Our original restaurant is in Bullhead City, but we have ones in Lake Havasu, Kingman, Laughlin, Nevada.
We were just in Laughlin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we were. I'm sorry we were in such a rush. We didn't get to stop by your place there, but I would have enjoyed that very much. So
we've got everything almost ready, and then we're going to put rice and beans in here as well. So really thicken everything up and get everything together. It'll make a great filling for the burrito.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'd like to see the glue that holds it all together.
This is our...
Oh, there we go.
Our Mexican glue here.
Next time we get together, you guys, we're going to combine all of this power into... Oh, there we go. Into one enormous burrito. It's a 2-man job to roll it, am I right?
It's a 2-man job, so hopefully you can help me out with that.
Yeah, that'll be my job. And you can catch Anthony making this monstrosity on Ginormous Food. That's coming up in June or July, right?
It's June 2nd on the Food Network.
Very good. Well, you deserve it. Look at that, Andrea. Look at the goodness.
Oh
More coming your way from El Palacio, Troy, in just a few minutes.
5 pounds.
I can't even imagine.
That's almost a baby.
Actually, Kaylee was just a little over 5 pounds when she was born.
That's like you
so it's
eating
a
Kaylee.
baby Kaylee.
That's a big burrito.
a.m.
Okay, I got to see this 5-pound burrito get ready to be rolled. Show it up, buddy.
Oh my gosh, here, you lift it. I got a bad back. First of all,
Bend
there's
at the
the
knees.
inside. That's the start, Andrea. And go ahead, Anthony. Let's.
All right.
You need a snow shovel for that? How do you get that in there?
Pretty much, right? See
And tell
all
me again what we're looking at.
See all this
Combination
so
of.
we have chicken, steak, tamale, chile relleno, and red sauce and rice and beans.
Okay.
I see the chile relleno already is melted, so we got all that cheesy goodness in there.
That is beautiful.
So we're going to spread that so it's nice.
Now
And
the rolling is that's the difficult part,
now
right?
this is the hard part. This is a 2-man job.
Yes.
So we got to get close to each other. I'm going to get this side. We're going to put our hands together.
Okay, let me put this here. Sure.
And then we're going to roll it and pull it towards us.
Sorry.
Oh, that's all right. Like this. And just try to pull it a little bit. It's going to tear up a little bit on us, but that's all right. Well,
I'm adhering to the bottom. There we go.
okay, there you go. Okay, now roll.
All right.
Roll. All right.
You've got 30
perfect.
seconds to dress up the top, my friend.
All right.
This is where. Okay, let's just start pouring.
Yeah, let's start pouring.
It'll fly by.
So you put the red sauce over there. There we go. Perfect. We'll see how quickly we can do this.
All right.
We're going to throw the lettuce on there. Then we need some cheese.
Look how
Like
beautiful it all is.
And then we're just going to finish it off with some sour cream and guacamole.
Oh,
Look at
my
wow,
gosh.
I think
Come see us, the corner of near Germain and the south branch of the 202.
That's sour cream.
It is beautiful. It is
That looks
delicious.
so
It's all happening at El Palacio. Let's just stand here for our portrait.
Yum.
Fox 10 News is always on at Fox 10.